Okay guys, it's Wednesday, March 30th. I got a permission to do this school. It's privately owned. Right now it was built in 1931. Just coming along by the sidewalk here and got a 1345. And I nicked it, but looks like a really worn Merc. Still in the clump. Let me pop it. It's clay, it's compacted. That's not one focus. Let me try it again. I can't tell. Let me spray it off and get back to you with a date. Okay, it looks like a 1942 or 43. Alright, keep going, listen if anything else. Okay guys, I'm on to a new location here. It shows on the 1875 map that they're sorry about that, something going on with my camera. There was a structure in this spot that I'm on, and I'm right here beside this huge oak tree, and I was just working my way around this tree, and I just got a bucket list coin. I can't get a date off of it yet, but it's in really good condition from what I can see. But I just got my first ever half-cent. Looks a lot of detail on the back. It was a 1244 signal. Alright. I'll keep working right here and let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, welcome to wrap up. A couple short hunts I got in. The weather's been not very good here. It's actually been cold and rainy, and they're calling for snow tomorrow, but here's some of the junk. Just some conduit fittings, just odd and end pieces of junk, but I'll move on to the good stuff. Wednesday, March 30th, I got out to a school. Well, first I found this. It says Brad and Holly. It's a little hand-carved pendant. Has a heart on the back. You probably can't see it very well. Thought that was cool. And then at that school, I did get a 1943 Merc. Front is in good condition. Back's toast. It's all worn. It's actually concaved. I don't know what happened to that. But this was on a private owned school, and somebody had been in there just cutting plugs and destroying the place. So, but I did manage to find that. So, and then this evening, April 8th, I found a bucket list coin. I found an 1841 half-cent. And I found this on an 1875 map where a blacksmith shop used to stand. But I was there about 15 minutes and found this, and it started raining. And of course on the E-track it's not waterproof. It has really good detail. The front's a little bit toasty, but you can still read Liberty. But I was definitely glad to get that. But anyway, I'm going to try to get back off that spot over the weekend and see if I can pull anything else out of there. If the weather clears up, they're calling for a little bit of snow tomorrow, so spring should break through sometime. I thought it was already here, but anyway, just thought I'd share these couple hunts, and thanks for watching. Good luck out there and happy hunting.